shoulder turn. How you doing? Good morning. So here we are for the third lesson. We've worked on developing a good foundation in the first lesson, a good posture to balance. The second lesson we had worked on your takeover, as well as leading up to a good perpendicular shoulder turn to the middle of your step. Okay. The goal is to put all these things together so that way we can work on your downswing, which is the thing I'd like to work on today. Okay. Why don't you hit a couple balls and we'll go from there. Here's one more and a couple things that I've been noticing. A couple things I'm noticing. You had some good shots, but your miss tends to be going left. Right now what you're doing is you're coming over the line. What we use as a term is it's called steep. So I'm going to show you exactly what you're doing. So when you hit the ball well, you're coming straight back. I got that good shoulder turn like we worked on, and you're dropping your hand down to the right. Sometimes you miss, you get up to the top, good position, but you drop your hands down. That's steep. This is the line. Over the line. So the main thing is to work on is just you've got to be very conscious. When you get up to the top, drop your hands down and swing out to the right. Why don't you try and do that a couple of times? Take some swings. Effectively, I'm not coming back on the right. Why don't you try it one? You're mechanical. That was a good shot. Notice how it started out to the right because you had dropped your hands down and swing out to the right, and it came back around. Those were good. I have two drills that you could be working on. The first one is something I always do when I'm starting to cross the line. Okay. So what I do is I take a stake, I set it out to the right of my alignment stick that I have in the ground. So this way I get to over-exaggerate my my ability to swing out to the right. So in order for me to not cross the line, come back straight through, and I exaggerate in swinging out to the right towards the alignment stake. I try and swing it out to the right. Even if you hit the ball, if you hit the alignment stick with the ball, that'd be perfect. You know that you're starting it out to the right, allowing it to draw back in. Looks somewhat like this. Even if it doesn't draw back, you know that you're still on a good path because it started to the right. So you start out to the right, or start out swinging out to the right and allowing the ball to draw back in so that way you don't cross over the line. So why don't you try that a couple of times. It's a big over-exaggeration, I know, but the key to fixing it is to over-exaggerate it so that way it gets good. That's good. Coming straight back and allowing yourself to swing out to the right. I like it.